Welcome to our video, where we will unlock the mystery of IPTV VLANs. What exactly is a VLAN, and how does it relate to IPTV services? A VLAN, or Virtual Local Area Network, essentially separates network traffic efficiently. This separation allows for a smoother and more organized stream experience for users. Now let's explore why IPTV providers utilize VLANs in delivering their services. By isolating IPTV traffic, providers can offer improved streaming quality and reliability. Next, we'll discuss how to set up your own IPTV VLAN for optimal performance. First, ensure your router supports VLAN configurations and access its settings page. In the VLAN settings section, create a new VLAN specifically for IPTV service. Next, assign the IPTV devices to this newly created VLAN for better management. Once you configure the VLAN, restart your router to apply the new settings. After the restart, test your IPTV service to ensure everything is working smoothly. If you experience issues, double-check your VLAN settings and device connections. Now let's dive into some frequently asked questions about IPTV VLANs. Many wonder how VLANs impact the overall quality of their IPTV services and networks. In conclusion, IPTV VLANs are crucial for an optimal streaming experience we desire. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out w.2tv.store for the best IPTV.